What is up, you guys? A little different of a video today for YouTube, but I want to talk about a trade that I'm currently in right now, and I don't day trade as much as I used to. Let me pull this up. We have these SPY puts right here. You can see we're up $762, $758, and that's since this morning. At one point, I think I was actually up like 800, and I kind of want to explain to you guys how, why I took this day trade. I want to kind of explain the VWAP and the volume weighted average price. I know that I don't talk a lot about day trading anymore because I primarily don't really day trade anymore. Day trading to me is just, it's not worth the time sitting in front of the screen. And a lot of you guys might be like, oh, well, you made $800 today. Well, yeah, I make, that kind of money when I'm swing trading too. But I figured that this would just be helpful for a lot of people who are looking and learning how to trade with a VWAP. So let's kind of go over this, right? So VWAP means volume weighted average price. If you want to learn more about this, you can join our academy. I'll put the link down below. We have 55 hours of courses and content. You get access to our private Discord community where we go live every single day. I go live just like this. I go over what I'm trading, why I'm trading it, and we give away 7 days for free. That's how confident we are in it. We give the first 7 days away free. And if you're like, hey, Pete, I don't like it, you don't need to take it. You don't need to pay for it. So essentially, with a VWAP, you have these 3 lines. It's kind of like a Bollinger Band. If we're trading between the top 2 VWAPs intraday, we're going to be bullish, right? This is not necessarily we're going to be bullish for the whole day, but within this range, we're considered to be bullish intraday. Now, if it's trading between the bottom 2 VWAP, then this means it's going to be bearish intraday, right? VWAPs are only going to work if you're trading, 1 minute, 5 minute, at the most, maybe, 15 minute. This is something that is an indicator that's primarily used for only day trading. You're not going to use this. Like you can see if I pop this on a daily, it's going to look ridiculous, right? But let's talk about why I took this trade. So the thing is, you're not going to want to just take the trade like, oh, it's trading within this VWAP, I'm just going to take the trade and it's cool. You want to make sure that overall you're trading with the trend, overall you're trading with the market. So the first thing I would do, taking a look at SPY, we've been waiting in my academy for a pullback for a very long time. We had this big pullback yesterday. You can see the volume profile here. We got a ton of volume, big resistance here at 300. I'm probably going to sell this position because we're at a really, really big support here. But overall, I knew this morning we had a 2% bounce after the market really died yesterday. We were getting rejected at the 100-day SMA early this morning. So I figured, you know what? The risk versus the reward is there. I really like this position. Let's go ahead and let's take a position on this. So that's what I had decided originally. Let's load up our VWAP once again. And so I noticed in the morning, we're between the top 2 VWAPs. We came back down, we pushed back up, came back down, pushed back up. Now, what do you guys notice here for those of you who are in my academy or for those of you, who have been trading a while? We have a head and shoulders pattern. Now, something to learn about patterns in general is the longer the time frame, the stronger the pattern is. So we are looking at a 1 minute time frame. The pattern's not the strongest. It's not the best here, but it's something I'm willing to take a gamble on. So I grabbed these puts right here at the $307.86 range. And my plan was if we break back up, we make a new high off of this shoulder, I'm just going to get out, right? Great risk versus reward. We started selling off. We used the EMA as a resistance the entire way down. I went out. I was not paying attention. I got some coffee. We came all the way back up. Now, the way to trade a VWAP is essentially if you're going the way of the VWAP, you want to set a stop loss on the other side. So if we were trading up, like let's look at something like SQQQ, right? If we were trading up, you would enter here and set a stop loss like right where I have my my alert set. You don't want to set it too low because sometimes we'll touch and then just break right back up. So you want to set it a little further down below. And so for me, I had plans, when I came back and I saw, we kind of recovered, I'm going to set a stop loss in my mind at like 306.42. And we actually rejected again from the VWAP. We've been using this EMA as a resistance the entire way down, and we actually just made new lows for the day. And now we're going into close. We got 2 hours left. The market's not even closed yet. We might continue this sell-off. I doubt it, because 300 is such a strong support for the S&P 500 that I don't think we're going to end up actually doing that. I think we're going to probably pop back up and start moving our way back. And I'm probably going to take profits here actually on this position, because I should have taken them when I was making this video right now. I probably should have took it. I just missed out on $100, but it's not that big of a deal. So I wanted to stop in. I wanted to make this video. It's definitely different from a lot of the videos that I make, but I just wanted to show you guys how I made this trade, how I broke this down, why I took it, and leave me any questions you guys have. Hit the like button, subscribe to this video. Thank you guys for watching. We put out a lot of stock market content. Follow us on Twitch. I'll put the link down below. We stream publicly every single day at 4 p.m. And if you guys want to join the academy, let me know. I'll put the link down below. You guys can join 7 days for free. Until next time, guys, I'll see you. Peace.